Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Force Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I am going to do the ultimate speaker battle between the LG V60 and the LG V8 ThinQ, and also the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Yes, we're going to pick a winner because, again, in my videos we have winners and losers, not just a participation medal. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video. I've been getting a lot of requests to do a speaker test between the G8 and the V60. So I'm going to throw in the Galaxy S20 Ultra because it is one of the new kids on the block. I just want to see which one has the best sounding speakers between all three phones. The G8 has been out for about a year now, and then the V60 and the S20 Ultra just came out. You know, the 20 Ultra has been out for at least a month now, 3 weeks, and then the V60 just came out on Friday. So we're going to definitely test them out. I want to know which one you think was the loudest, which one sounded the best overall. All I'm going to do, like I said earlier, is play non-copyrighted music from SoundCloud, and we're just going to pick a winner. Let's check on the settings really quick. I have everything turned to auto. Now, I don't have these V60 in this case, but I just want to show y'all. Let's go to sound. And then if I go to sound quality, you can see 3D Sound Engine is on auto. And everything's turned up. On the G8, if you go into sound, and then if I go into sound quality, you can see that the equalizer is on normal, 3D sound is on wide. And then on the S20 Ultra, which I'm going to turn it to mute. If we go to sounds and vibration, down here you can see the equalizer is on normal, but Dolby Atmos is on audio. Like I said, I'm going to start off with the LG V60 and then do the G8 and then also the S20 Ultra last. So let's get this going.
Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in pink and bleach. Cross out the ones who hurt my cries and watch me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe.
All right, so here's the last song for the V60. Okay, everyone, so the next step, I'm going to just play a short clip of one of my favorite YouTubers. Shout out Phone Tech at Work for letting me use this clip. He did his first impressions of the LG V60 a couple days ago, and we're just going to play a small clip of it and see actually how it sounds while you're playing the video and compare it to the S20 Ultra and the LG G8. So let's get this going.
For you, so it will be a little bit more difficult than you think it is. And we also have the in-display fingerprint scanner, which you have to hold a little bit longer than a lot of other ones that's currently out right now, but it does the job, which is perfect for me, and that's pretty cool. So if you want to use the dual screen capabilities, here's what I've learned so far. If you want to go on Twitter, and if you want to send over there, you can actually press at the same time too, and it'll go over there if you want to bring it back. For you, so it will be a little bit more difficult than you think it is. And we also have the in-display fingerprint scanner, which you have to hold a little bit longer than a lot of other ones that's currently out right now, but it does the job, which is perfect for me, and that's pretty cool. So if you want to use the dual screen capabilities, here's what I've learned so far. If you want to go on Twitter, and if you want to send over there, you can actually press at the same time too, and I'll go over there if you want to bring it back. Mission for you, so it will be a little bit more difficult than you think it is. And we also have the in-display fingerprint scanner, which you have to hold a little bit longer than a lot of other ones that's currently out right now, but it does the job, which is perfect for me, and that's pretty cool. So if you want to use the dual screen capabilities, here's what I've learned so far. If you want to go on Twitter, and if you want to send over there, you can actually press at the same time too, and I'll go over there if you want to bring it back, do that as well.
Alright, y'all, so this was the S20 Ultra. What do y'all think about it? Y'all let me know. But which one was your favorite? And which one actually won this battle? Do you think the V60? Do you think the S20 Ultra? Or, you know, last year's model, the LG G8? Let's pick a winner. Y'all tell me what y'all thought about it. Overall, I think the V60 and the S20 Ultra was pretty close. At least what I could hear from my point of view. But again, I want your opinions. Y'all let me know. Let's keep a friendly discussion in the comments. Which one was the loudest? Which one sounded the best? And overall, which was your winner? You let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the LG V60 ThinQ and the S20 Ultra. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.